In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razorpay to your Wix website. This is an essential step for those of you looking to integrate a seamless payment solution into your online store, allowing you to offer a range of payment options to your customers. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set it up and get ready to accept payments right away. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Wix dashboard. Go to the Wix website, log in with your credentials, and you'll find yourself on the home page of the dashboard. It's here that you can manage all the aspects of your site, from editing to managing payments. At this point, we'll focus on the payments section. To get started, simply type in Payments in the search bar at the top. This will help you quickly locate the payment settings without navigating through multiple menus. Then you'll see a prompt to accept payments. Click on the Accept Payments button, which will lead you to the Payments section of your Wix dashboard. Once there, you'll be prompted to select a business location. It's a vital step because your payment setup is linked to the country your business operates from. Next, type in India in the location field, assuming that's where your business is based. This step is particularly important for those looking to use Razorpay, as it's a payment gateway widely used in India. After typing in the location, make sure you click the checkbox to confirm your selection. This action ensures that you're correctly setting up your payment options according to your regional requirements. Now that you have your business location set, the next thing you need to do is to click on Connect under the Razorpay option. This will redirect you to another page where you'll need to input your Razorpay account information. Make sure you have all your account details handy as you'll need them to proceed. Fill in the required fields with your account information. Pay careful attention to each field as correct details are crucial for the successful integration of Razorpay on your Wix website. This will typically include your account credentials and any other necessary verification details. Once you've filled up all the necessary account information fields, the final step is to click on the Connect button. This will establish the connection between your Wix website and your Razorpay account, enabling the payment processing system. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Razorpay to your Wix website, and now you can comfortably accept payments through this gateway. By following these steps, you've unlocked the potential to offer more flexible payment options to your customers, enhancing their shopping experience. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Wix or Razorpay support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.